base camp. Got a bite? That fish be live.
Ready? Now you want to stay for a little bit?
No, it's up to you, man.
Now that we caught one? Maybe they might be in there.
Can you grab my bubble for me, Whoopi?
Yeah.
I ain't wasting no time on that one. Sao hô tự nhiên bộ. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, go. Right. Chị giết. Hố tổ chứ gì. This guy big, huh? Ooh. What? Oh, really? I know.
You know that?
He must took it, came back down or something, and just sat on it. Pota? Yeah, look at your pole though. That's a good size. Oh yeah. Man. Not as big, huh? Pretty decent though. Oh yeah. Come here, baby. I got you. There we go. Smoked sausage?
No, this is chicken.
Chicken
Ground
sausage?
chicken.
Oh, ground chicken? Smells good too. Man. That. There you go. Oh. Let's go see. Let's go see your buddy. Let's go see what we got in here. Man. You can't even see it. I'm just gonna set it. I think so. Can't really see it, but it's not that big. Got him? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the way we like it. Like that, you are. Yes, it's pretty good size. Oh yeah, there you go. Come on out, baby. Yeah, probably, huh? Little right there. Oh yeah. Yo thought it's one of these bowfish. Oh yeah, you're right. He's taking it. Looks like a big one, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's just keep going. Ngọng ngao nhở. He got it. Thằng nó cậu thoát rồi nhỉ ha. Ôi. Didn't you just throw that one? I don't know. Ooh, I see it. Ooh. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, this one is nice. Fat. It's pretty big. My hand here. It's pretty big. One. Oh, lost count.